Peggy 18.
What's your emergency?
As the hunt for fugitive Aiden Pierce continues.
You're a liar. I know the truth. I know how you think. I see the digital shadow you cast. You lie to everyone else. You can't hide from me. I'm going to find you and expose you to the world.
I'll be waiting for your call.
Great. Come down to the Devlin Dome this Thursday, 6 o'clock.
A massive storm front moves over Chicago tonight. This evening, showers are expected to give way to thunderstorms and violent winds. The National Weather Alert has issued a severe storm warning until 1 a.m. in the greater Chicago area.
We're here at the gallery opening of media mogul Joseph DeMarco's Dot Connection, an eccentric art show featuring 10 of Chicago's top underground artists. As you can see, the turnout is a roaring success. The show runs throughout the month, but DeMarco has announced an upcoming online interview.
Yeah, you gotta keep them moving. Hello? 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 Mary? Fucking thing. Come on. Come on. We're back.
Hi, I'm Joseph DeMarco. Welcome to Dot Connection, my digital gallery made of underground art and music. I hope you will enjoy viewing, listening, and interacting with the pieces from this audio.
Would you like a drink?
Is that Pierce?
What's he doing here?
Where the fuck you been? You leave me standing here for 45 minutes in this DeMarco art bullshit charity. I spent all afternoon getting her ready for you. She's oiled, she's loose, she's perfect, just the way you like.
You done yet?
This is another reason why we don't hang out.
No. We don't hang out because we kill each other.
See? You, my friend, much like this shit show, have no art, no nuance, no subtlety, and it really irritates the shit out of me sometimes. So why the fuck are you here? Is there a target here?
You really want to know?
Fuck you.
It's DeMarco.
DeMarco? Oh, shit. Well, you know what? In that case, consider that a donation. So, you got a plan there, tough guy? Because DeMarco's not even here. You're using yourself as bait. Oh my God, I love it because it's such a horrible idea.
Seems to be working to me. I'm gonna make sure DeMarco knows I'm here.
I like it. Good hunting.
Peter. He's at your show.
What guy?
Aiden Pierce.
I see. He has some balls, doesn't he? You make sure he stays there. I don't want him leaving. I'm driving over now. We'll be there in a minute.
I've already got security on it. He's not going anywhere.
I want every exit covered. This guy doesn't leave.
Yeah, I see him. You, hold it right there.
Answer me, come on.
Get out! Get out! Stay low!
Joseph DeMarco.
This is suicide. You understand that? You kill me, and you'll open a door you'll never close.
You know what? You're gonna deliver a message for me.
Yeah, sure. No, no way!
Charlie, your squad put out an all-call. We need backup ASAP.